If you're looking for the best clippers for bald, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preferences, sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Oster Classic 76 Professional Hair Clippers. We wouldn't be surprised to see these clippers hang from their metal loop in any barbershop. This package comes with the #1 and #0 blades for close cuts and fades, but you can also purchase a #0 blade. It practically shaves the head, so watch out for moles. The 1-speed universal motor slices quickly through wet or dry hair without pulling any strands. It's so powerful that the sound of the motor doesn't even change when up against coarse hair. These durable clippers are designed to be used all day long and should provide years of service. They have a textured grip and a 9-foot cord to help you get the job done in comfort. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Wahl Professional Series Detailer. Wahl makes a variety of different clippers and trimmers, and this selection can be a little overwhelming as they can seem quite similar to one another. We included this detailer because it's made for precision lines and very close trimming. It's ideal for guys who are naturally mostly bald and those who have beards. There's nothing wrong with using it off-label to get as close a cut as possible without using a razor. We also like the fact that it has a compact shape and doesn't weigh much. It measures 5 inches long and weighs a hair under 7 ounces. Another bonus is the 8-foot chemical-resistant power cord. The blade is not zero-gapped at the factory, but it's adjustable. Moreover, the blade doesn't necessarily have to be replaced as it can be sharpened. The box includes 3 T-shaped trimming guides, oil, and a cleaning brush. The number 3 position is held by Wahl Professional 5-Star Balding Clipper. Here's the question everyone is asking: are Wahl balding clippers good? The consensus is yes, as long as you don't expect them to get as close as a wet shave. If you like a little shadow, you'll be pleased with the results. This is not one of those light-duty consumer clippers. It's a powerful 1-pound beast with a V5000 plus electromagnetic motor to do fades in a flash. Plus, it comes with 2 attachment combs to trim hair, making it all around useful in a barbershop. The clippers also come with a chemical-resistant 8-foot cord, #2105 blade, cleaning brush, blade guard, and oil. Next at number 4 we have Andis 1690 Professional Fade Master Hair Clipper. Truth be told, this is the most versatile clipper for a bald head. Not only does it do balding, but it's perfect for fades and free-hand work. The secret lies in its adjustable blade for changes on the fly. Thumb the lever from 0 to 0 or zero-gap the blade if you like. Although the blade is carbon steel for extra sharpness and durability, the clipper body is aluminum. That keeps the weight down to only 20 ounces and makes it practically unbreakable. Meanwhile, the magnetic motor outputs 14,000 strokes per minute. It's fast, but it gets a bit warm. One pro recommended cooling it on tile or a stone surface. The number 5 position is held by Remington HC 4250 Shortcut Pro Self Haircut Kit. Here is the easiest clipper to use on a bald head. No, it won't give you as close a shave as a razor. But if you don't mind looking like Jason Statham, it's ideal. First, the clipper is lightweight and cordless, providing up to 40 minutes of cutting time before the lithium battery needs to be recharged. However, the downside is that it takes 4 hours to charge. Next, the blade is wide and curved to contour to the head. You can literally comb it through your hair or across your scalp and be done in minutes. Since the kit includes 9 different combs, you can do anything from a close shave to a buzz cut. The guide combs measure 1.5 to 12 mm or 1/16 to 5/8 inches. Lastly, the blade can be rinsed under the faucet. And the package comes with a travel pouch and a charging adapter. The number 6 position is dominated by Remington HC 6550 Cordless Vacuum Haircut Kit. Let's be honest, one of the major deterrents to doing at-home haircuts is cleaning up the mess afterward. Remington solves the problem with a cordless clipper featuring a vacuum for the clippings. It claims to catch up to 95% of trimmed hair, and reviewers say it saves them a lot of work. Now it only takes them a moment to wipe up a few stray hairs. Furthermore, the blades can be rinsed under running water. But that's not to say that the whole device is waterproof. If you're going to give yourself a trim in the shower, do it before turning on the water. On the bright side, now you won't be clogging the drain. Although the lithium battery takes 4 hours to charge, it offers 60 minutes of runtime. Remington also includes a 2-year warranty. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Andis 17150 Pro Full Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. A wet shave will leave your scalp bleeding, and so will this foil shaver. If you prefer everything smooth and soft, it provides a skin close shave just like a straight razor. This lithium-powered cordless shaver quickly removes stubble and prevents razor rash because it doesn't need multiple passes. The rotary motor runs up to 80 minutes on a charge. It has a hypoallergenic titanium foil with octagonal openings to keep it from dragging or skipping spots. Reviewers say it doesn't need to be pressed hard against the skin to do a close shave. The number 8 position is held by AidallsWellup 5-in-1 Head Shaver. This multi-purpose shaving tool covers more than just head shaving. No matter where you decide to get rid of your head hair, this product has you covered. Wet or dry, alone or with another, this 5-in-1 shaver can take care of it. The 6-blade head is its main feature. While its heads are not as thorough as a clipper's blade or straight razor, it makes up for this with a versatile design and extra tools. There is extra setup and cleanup involved, however. If you decide to shave wet rather than dry, the time the razors take to dry can be annoying. Working it into your grooming routine is a must. After 90 minutes of charging, you will be good to shave for that same amount of time, 90 minutes. It's a completely cordless clipper. User reviews rave regarding the ability of these clippers to polish off quick touch-ups. Next at number 9 we have Wahl Self-Cut Haircutting Kit. The 2 Wahl products on this list are both professional quality tools anyone can use. This is a far less expensive and easy to approach design. The compact size and low weight can mess with some users, however. With quiet clipper technology and a ton of blade guards for exact length control and easy trimming around the ears, it's a pretty easy recommendation. Problems can come up due to the uniqueness of its frame. Many people expect a certain weight when using clippers, and the fact that so much of it is gone when using this product feels very strange. The small size can make this even more difficult if you have larger hands. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Telfun head shavers for bald men. This tiny Telfun clipper works in almost any shaving environment. You can bring in whatever shaving gel or foam you feel comfortable with and have little to worry about when cleaning this product. The design works well for many positive users, although it still retains some drawbacks. Many reviews mention that attachments and accessories can pop out of the proper socketing. The battery life ends up being the biggest disappointment for users. The major downsides of this head clipper come from its charging foibles. While features like a smart lock are in place to avoid unnecessary activations, it's got poor battery life. With 2 hours of charging, you get 90 minutes of action. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.